Manually calibrating a ZT231 printer. In this video, we will be manually calibrating a ZT231 printer. Zebra recommends calibrating your printer whenever you change the media type, and for most types of media, auto calibration is adequate. To place the image in the correct position on the media, we must first identify the features in the media that you would like the printer to detect. Then you must make sure the sensors in your printer are set up to detect those features. If your media has a gap, also referred to as web, or has holes or notches, select Gap Notch in the menu. If your media has a black mark on the underside of the media, select Mark in the menu. If your media is a continuous roll with no start position features, select Continuous in the menu. Please note, the label length on continuous media is controlled by the file that you are printing. Now set the sensor type in the menu. For black mark media, set the sensor type to reflective. For all other types of media, set the sensor type to transmissive. Now load the media and ribbon. Make sure the media and ribbon are fully inserted. If you have any media handling options, such as a peel, liner take-up, or a cutter, please calibrate in those modes. If you're using media with a gap, also referred to as a web or a hole or a notch, you want to make sure your sensor is in the optimal position to identify that feature. Move the sensor to a location where the light passes through the notch or hole. Try to avoid locating the sensor under the hole or notch radius. If your media is not a simple rectangle, such as a circular shape, locate the sensor over the leading part of the label. If you're using media with print on the other side, try to locate the sensor away from the print so the sensor does not get a false reading. Select Menu. Select Printer. Select Sensor. Select Manual Calibration. Select Start Calibration. Open the media door. Press Next. Open the printhead assembly. Press Next. Remove the ribbon. Press Next. Locate and adjust the media sensor. Press Next. Pull about 8 inches or 200 millimeters of labels from the printer. Remove about 6 inches or 150 millimeters of labels from the backing. Press Next. Move the backing until it is under the media sensor. Press Next. Close the printhead. Press Next. Remove excess backing. Press Next. Press Calibrate to start media calibration. Start ribbon calibration. Open the printhead. Press Next. Load the ribbon. Press Next. Close the printhead assembly. Press Calibrate. Select the check to begin calibration. Close the media door. Press Pause to resume printing. Press the Feed button to test calibration.